Today, we're diving into the world of the microscopic, guided by the father of microbiology himself, Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. Grab your virtual microscope and get ready, because we're about to explore how this 17th century scientist changed our understanding of life forever. Let's roll back to the 1600s, in the Dutch city of Delft. Here lived a man named Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, a simple cloth merchant. He wasn't a formally trained scientist, and he didn't even go to university. But he had one powerful advantage: curiosity. And it was his job, as a cloth merchant, that actually led him to science. Now, here's where things get exciting. Imagine Antonie's surprise when he looked at a drop of water through his microscope and saw tiny creatures. These were microorganisms, things no human had ever seen before. He called them animalcules, which just means tiny animals. Out of all his discoveries, one truly stands out: bacteria. In 1676, Antonie became the first person in history to see these tiny single-celled organisms. Today, we know how crucial bacteria are. They help with digestion, they're involved in health and disease, and they're even essential in making foods like cheese and yogurt. So, why does this matter today? Well, Antonie's discoveries laid the foundation for microbiology. Thanks to him, we understand diseases, genetics, and ecosystems at the microscopic level. Bacteria research has led to vaccines, antibiotics, and breakthroughs in medicine. Imagine life without germ theory or antibiotics. A simple cut could lead to serious infections. Antonie's work paved the way for scientists like Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch, who would later show how microorganisms cause disease. Here are some fun facts about van Leeuwenhoek. Did you know he was extremely secretive about his methods? He never told anyone exactly how he made his lenses. And he kept working until he was in his 90s, studying everything from blood to plant tissue to tiny insects. Talk about dedication. So, the next time you wash your hands or hear about bacteria in the news, remember Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, the man who showed us the unseen and changed science forever. Thanks for joining us on this microscopic journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more science stories. See you in the next episode of Science Heroes.